So the device in my hand is a tester. This is electric line tester, and suppose if you want to replace the bulb in this tester, first you must take the bulb. So this is the bulb in the tester. So after that you must connect this spring with the spring on the top of this bulb. So must connect the spring to this position. So must simply connect these two springs like this. So now you can see that both the springs have been connected here. Now take this and you must put like this, and after that you can insert the spring here. So you must insert these things to the tester. So you must simply press like this and simply rotate like this, and we are now properly inserted. Now if you want to check the lines, you can see that the light is glowing now. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.